Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how I build or construct metal bars. As demonstration, I picked this particular picture I found in the internet. I did that one before in this particular order. So originally I believe it was a 5-place metal bar, and at some stage this man was awarded with the War Merit Cross. And at the moment this photograph was taken, I think he just hung that cross at the edge of his original metal bar, and so it was done. As I mentioned before, I did that one already, and I will show you the picture of this original creation. But at some stage I was thinking, what if at later stage this man could have rebuilt it and made this the proper way when Merit Cross sits on the second place. And first, I made a ribbon bar for this particular option. So we've got Iron Cross, second class, Merit Cross, Hindenburg Cross, this golden long service police, and some service in Landwehr, and Austrian-Hungary commemorative medal here. So firstly, as I said, I built this one. There is no rocket science here. It's done very simply, especially in this way of construction. Now, of course, everything is original. All the ribbons original. All the devices are original. And for some period of time, as I mentioned, I wanted to build this in this particular way. So I started with this. I found suitable metal carrier for that. Of course, after this, I had some of the medals on my hands, and as you can see here, I have them already, some of them stitched onto the ribbons, and I attached them in a particular order onto metal carrier. So at this moment I need to put War Merit Cross here and long service cross in here. So I've got them sourced, prepared. So this one goes in here. This baby goes in there. I've decided to pick matching strips for each of those awards, like this one for Merit Cross, the blue one for the police. Okay, so in a few moments I will put them here. All right, and the way they're arranged, I mean, like not the arranged, lined up, is so they all aligned along the center. So some of the manufacturers would align medals along the bottom line, as for instance Gadet, they do this thing. And at this moment I need to find proper place for each of these medals. The way I do it, I place this thing here, for instance, like that, the way it's gonna be stitched together, and I place medal roughly in the position to find where the top of the ring is gonna be located. So this is position for this one. I'll put it aside for the moment. And this one here, say it's going to be folded this way. Okay, like that. And middle like this. Okay, should do. So just not to lose this position. Of course, like it could be finely adjusted at some stage. So this is done, prepared. Now position for the police medal and for cross. I'll put this aside for the moment. At this stage, I'm using all original threads. I will be using this period correct threads to stitch them to the strips, and this is what I'm gonna do now. Now, when this is stitched, I attach them and secure them in 3 places. It's pretty strong. I usually keep my thread here and use it the same way to attach that assembly onto bar. Okay, so my bar, it has already backing prepared, so I will just gently remove it. Okay, place it here. Make sure that everything is nicely. Well, I keep stitching like that. So that it all nicely and tight. Okay, like this. After that, I will check on the face, from the face side, how it's all sits. Will I be happy with this? Maybe that should go a little bit down, that a little bit up before I secure it completely. Okay, looks good. Now I can secure the thread on the opposite side. Now, when all the stitching done, I will make sure everything aligned properly, and all these final checks. You know, this metal sitting tight, and well, it looks fine to me. Well, next step is to choose ribbons. I usually very carefully search them and source them so that they match overall style of folding and like similar amount of wear, and you know, something like this. I also wanted that my police medal has device on it. It goes here. This one is for landwear. As you can see, this folding is pretty much the same. For the Austrian Hungary. Now this one is for Hindenburg Cross, War Merit Cross. So looks good. And that one is for Iron Cross. As padding, I pre-build these things This is glued together 3 layers of felt. I don't really like this cotton balls or something else. This one works pretty cool, like that. Okay, also I've got backing material pre-made. That is pre-war wool fabric, all absolutely original. And here we go. So I will start stitching, attaching the ribbons one by one, starting from the end, moving towards the iron cross. I'm not sure if I will use exactly the same black threads to secure ribbons into position. Now I'm halfway there, so as you can see, everything works out absolutely fine. Okay, so this is the back side. Everything looks good. So I will continue to stitch the ribbon. So I have only 3 ribbons left. Well, now it's done. So all ribbons are in place. We can see the other side. Everything is spot on, at least I think so. Well, final checks. Looks good. Okay, so this is now is the time to attach that backing fabric, and we will see how it's going. Obviously I will be using matching thread color, you know, to secure this in place. Okay, well, now it's finished, completely done. So backing is attached, everything is, so that is the how the process looks. Pretty much it. I spent altogether about maybe 3 hours building this thing. Okay, there you go. Thank you for watching.